Hello friends, this is Ishwar. Welcome to my channel Ishwar Academy. In previous video we have discussed about semantic tags like headers, footers, section, article, nav. Moving ahead, in this video I am going to explain you about attributes. What kind of attributes used in HTML and how we can use. So HTML elements may contain attributes that are used to set various properties of an element. Attributes are always in the start tag. All attributes have a name and a value. Some attributes are defined globally and can be used on an alien element, while others can be defined for specific elements only. HTML5 attributes are case insensitive and it can be written or it may be written in uppercase or lowercase or in mixed case, so the choice is all yours. Then let's see how attributes can be declared. If I am going to declare the language of the document, so I have to mention the attribute lang. It is nothing but the language attribute which always be declared in the HTML tag, and the value is the language code. I am going to use English language, so the code of English is EN. So this declares the language of the web document. Okay, then let's see another example of attribute. Let's try for paragraph title. So here is the title attribute, which will be always used with p tag, which is for paragraph. So this tells about what kind of information provided in the paragraph. So the title would be about, and let's add some content. Ishwar Academy provide online courses in programming skills to people who wants to learn web development. Okay, let's end with p tag. So here the title attribute contain a value about. So when we use JavaScript or CSS, then at that time this kind of attribute will help us to make it interactive or dynamic format. So moving ahead, let's see another example. Like I'm going to use image tag. This tag is used to include any kind of images like JPG, bitmap or PNG or GIF images in our web document. So there are lots of attributes in image. So one of the most important attribute is SRC, which stands for source. In this attribute, the value should be the file name. Always I just copy here the path of my image and then just end it with image. Let's see the effect. I'm going to open it in browser. So guys, you can see here the effect, but let's have a look at the image. This is quite bigger than we expect. If I maximize this, even it is not visible properly. So I am going to add few more attributes with image, like width, and the value would be something 300. This value is always in pixel, and let's define something height like 200 and refresh the browser. So yeah, let's see guys, the image is properly displaying in our web document. So the src tag is nothing but the file name of the source. Then we have declared here width, which define or decide the width of the image, and the height is always both width and height is in pixel. This tag contains different attributes where we provide file name, size of the specified document, or you can say the image, which is always in pixel. So moving ahead, there is a new feature being introduced in HTML5 is the addition of custom data attributes. You know guys, custom data attribute is nothing but the attribute which starts with data and dash and would be named based on your requirement. Let's define here something div tag, and I'm going to define one attribute like class name would be demo, and then I'm going to declare here a custom data attribute which starts with data, and something attribute would be subject, and the value of the attribute is maths. And then we can write anything in this section like p or h3, and let's write here mathematics. Let's add one paragraph. It is queen of science. So end of div tag. So here this data and dash is nothing but the custom data attributes which is introduced in HTML5. It will be used in JavaScript and CSS for the reference to make it interactive or to modify the document. You can change the structure, you can color, you can change the background, anything by using this kind of custom data attributes. So guys, this is all about attributes in HTML5. I hope you understand what is attribute. So if you like my video, please subscribe and share this